Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can sign up for your Blooket account. Now if this is something that you want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. Open any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL, search for blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will end up in its official homepage. Now, if you already have your Blooket account, then you can tap on login button and type in the Blooket account credentials and get logged into your Blooket account. But in the case you are new to Blooket and want to create Blooket account, then you have to tap on sign up button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will take into the next page where you can see two options to sign up for your Blooket account. You can either use your Google account or you can sign up with your email account. Now, if you choose your Google account to create your Blooket account, you just need to tap on sign up with the Google and there pick the Google account and you will immediately create your Blooket account. Now, if you want to sign up your Blooket account using your email account, then tap on the second option, sign up with email. And there you will taken to the sign up page. Now here you have to create your username, type in your email address, and after that you have to create password for your Blooket account. And lastly, you have to confirm the password that you have created and then you have to tap on sign up button. Now start off by creating your username. Now once you create your username, type in your email address and after that create a password for your Blooket account. Once you create the password, confirm your password by retyping your password here. Now you have to check this square box which says I am at least 13 years old or at least 16 outside of the US and I agree to the privacy policy and terms of service. And there the sign up box will be pop up on your screen. Now tap on sign up button. Now there you go, you have successfully created your Blooket account. Now you have to simply choose if you are a teacher or a student and then tap on next button. And this is how Blooket dashboard looks like. Now that's how easily and quickly you can create your Blooket account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.